This is the brand new Redmi Turbo 4 Pro. Yes, Redmi has just released this new phone, and of course, it's also the 4th generation of the Snapdragon 8S meeting us for the first time. So this is a performance test, but first we need to share its appearance with everyone. Compared to the Turbo 4, the design continues its ID. At the top left, there's an oval dual camera, offering a symmetrical look when viewed horizontally. Below, there's a vertical strip flash, but the thin red line, liked by many on the Turbo 4, is gone. The Turbo 4 Pro doesn't have the entire back panel, making it more simplistic. The white with a matte back panel is what Lou calls not white dry, but it's quite minimalistic. The side features a right angle leading into the middle frame, which further enhances the overall feel of the device. This time, there is a significant change on the front of the entire device, and you can see it very clearly. Not only has the screen size increased, but most importantly, we finally see this large R angle on the Redmi phone. If the ID design is rated out of 10, how many points would you give it? You can send comments, and let's not waste time. We've set the brightness at 300 nits as usual. For 30 minutes of Genshin Impact at extreme quality and 60 FPS, the average frame rate is 59.5 FPS. This performance isn't much different from the 8 and 3. However, its power consumption is a bit higher, reaching 7.2 watts, and the highest temperature on the back hit 49 degrees. Of course, this was measured in turbo mode, so Redmi's turbo mode this time is really intense. It sacrificed some power consumption and temperature for the ultimate performance release. Do you all think this time's turbo mode is wild enough? But actually, what I really want to share with you is a huge highlight of this machine. We'll talk about it later. Goodbye.